Now we are making spicy steamed arbi, that is calocasia, that's a root vegetable, and it's made absolutely without any onions, ginger, garlic, anything. It's just with dry spices, and we are going to steam it and make it. So we peel it. This is how it looks when you peel it, and then we have cut it long like this, slice it, and then I'm going to steam it. I'm going to toss it in some spices, and then I'm going to steam it. And now I'm going to mix the spices which I'm going to show you. Spices, as I said, are very important in Ayurvedic cooking. They not just enhance the taste, they also enhance the digestibility of the food and also the therapeutic value of the food. That's very important in Ayurveda. The therapeutic value, that's the healing power of the food. So I'll show you the spices. Here I have normal plain white salt. I have dry coriander powder. This is dry coriander powder. This is turmeric. I have dry mango powder to give a nice sourness to the food. And I have fresh peppercorns which I am going to grind in this. I am going to make a fresh powder. I am going to do it in this. And here for tempering the food, I have the arbi, I have cumin seeds, and I have ajwain carom seeds. I am going to put all the spices in this. Just throw the spices in this. Pepper goes in. Okay, now I need to put some coriander seeds. Coriander powder. This is a dry coriander powder. Goes in. And I have turmeric powder. Here goes in my turmeric. Okay, I think I need the whole lot of it. Okay, now here is the dry mango powder. I again need the whole lot of it. Okay, here is the salt. Goes the salt in this. Mix it very well. Really mix it well. Feel the food, the texture. Feel the texture of the food.
Hold on. Yeah, feel that.
You can feel the texture here. I'm mixing it. Try and use your hands. It connects you with the food. It's really lovely aroma I can get. Mix it very well. Here. It's done. Now I throw in the veggies in this. I have my put in the arbi, which goes in. That's the calocasia, which goes in. Okay, give it a good toss. Nice good toss here. Mix all the dry masalas. Coat each slice very well. Coat it very well. There, it's done. Here goes in this. Cover it and steam it for 5 to 7 minutes. It's done. The calocasia is done. I remove it from here and I'm going to temper it now. Here I keep my pan. I use a tablespoon of ghee goes in. I temper it with carom seeds. Here goes in my carom seeds. Now I add some cumin seeds to it. Here go in my cumin seeds. Here you can see the seeds being spluttering well. Very, very aromatic. Very nice, really good. Okay, now here goes my vegetable inside. That goes in. Give it a good toss, a nice good toss. Yeah. That's a lovely color, very, very healthful, very joyful. Yeah, that looks good. That's our steamed spicy Arbi ready.